Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a legendary 4G63 block here, 7 bolt. I have few of these that I need to hone, so I decided I'm gonna do it right here on the video so you guys can check it out. There's actually different things that you can do and different types of honing. This is just my do-it-yourself at home thing. I do not want to spend that much money on the machine shop, and this whole channel is about, saving money. But anyway, there's two types that I'm gonna be using today at least, and this is your standard stone type. That is just a regular one that goes inside and makes the scratches and hones the cylinder. And this is made by Lies, whatever. And this is the one that I got. There's a part number and all that, and it shows you how to do it right there. Let me see what is the, it doesn't look like it tells you about the RPMs that you're supposed to be running, but anyway, I'm planning about 300, 400 to up to 600, no more than that. So that's your standard one. Like I said, it's really cheap, not that expensive. And then we go to a flex hone, which is a little bit more expensive version, but it does a great job of honing. It's just these little small shaped balls that are actually removing the glaze and scratches and all that. This one is suggested 400 to 600 RPM, and I'm gonna be using my cord drill. With this, they suggest to use a cutting oil, and there's honing oil and all that thing. In my case, I have a 1030. I didn't want to spend money on that, so I'm going to be using that. And then I will be doing a longer strokes all the way down, come back, all the way down, come back, because I have a couple of things that I want to try to remove off of these cylinders. And let's see if it works. So let me grab my flashlight so I can point and show you what I'm trying to remove. I don't know if it's gonna work. If it works, works. If it doesn't, then hey, I'm just gonna send it. I know a lot of people will say you could just go take it to machine shop, get oversized. That's not my plan. I want to save some money and see if this will work. So inside here, I don't know if you can see it, there is a couple of scratches right there. You can see it right there, couple of them. This one, it has only one or two. This one has few, and this one have few. So that's before. So now let's get onto it and start honing. I'm gonna first use this one. See, I actually never used this kind of honing thing, and I'll try that first, then I'll switch to flex. So I'm gonna put you on stand and let's do that. First thing first, bunch of oil. First, we're gonna clean them. Right? Clean them really good. Alright, next. Put some oil in it. Alright. Put these in there. And let's do it. We're gonna do about 40 to 50 seconds, a minute, and then take it out. Alright. Let's wipe it up. Inspect it. Do it again. Alright. Alright. I'm going to change it now to flex on. And do it with flex on. it out. Alright. Let's do it one more time. Alright, so you can check it out. It's way better than it was. You'll want to have that 45 degree crosshatch. Like I said, not perfect, not something that people do for race cars. This is only for mine, a personal use, and it's not gonna be running high boost and all that. It's just for stock 4G63 Eclipse. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do it, guys. It's pretty simple. Repeat that for all the cylinders. And if you're not satisfied, of course, take it to the machine shop, and then they will actually go overboard and go bigger. But as you can see, it does pretty good job from what it is. One thing to remember when you're going in and out, don't stop all the way there and then pull it out. You're making scratches that way. As you're rotating, just pull it out so that way you don't make scratches. Other than that, guys, don't go overboard with it, because this is only to remove smaller scratches, glaze, so your piston rings sit better and you don't lose compression and all the other stuff, all the other good stuff that comes with that. But anyway, like I said, you can do it at home. If it's not damaged, if you cannot catch the scratch on your finger, on a fingernail, you're good. You can do it with this way. Like I said, don't go overboard. There's only a certain amount you can remove before the piston, the cylinder gets out of the spec, or you remove too much on one side, and it just like I said, just there's limits. Even though this removes only small amount of the cylinder wall, it still removes it. So yeah, pay attention on that. Like I said, I have a few more to do with this after this one. Then I'm gonna do a hot tank and wash this baby as well. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Of course, I'll have the links down in the description for all this stuff that I used. Make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Laters.